Hello friends, in this video we are going to check why it's not showing on the cart top of the page. So in previous video we are stuck on like how we can add the custom block on the top of the cart page. So I find that what is the issue exactly it is. So basically you need to just put the test before, because I'm not flushing the cache, that's the reason. Just put the before and it will going to update you on this one. Okay, so this is how we can add the add the custom block on the top of the cart page. Here you can show the shopping image or something like that, or below that 25% off or sale. So this is how we can add on the top of that top of the page. Okay, so I think just you need to just update this part like custom block before, so it will update on the top of the header. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.